Hello, we are going to look into an SQL query, and the query is we need to find the salary growth of employees over the past year, and also the percentage increase in salary for each employee. So here again, uh, this is a very common query where we check what is the year-on-year changes, what is the percentage increase. So here these are the two tables. One is the employee details. Here we insert two records into it, John and Emma, and this is the salary history table. We're going to mostly work with the salary history table only. So here the need is to check the salary growth in form of percentage increase for all employees who have had two salary changes. So first of all, the first thing to do here will be to get the salary records from the past year. Let's say if I'm only looking from the salary records from the past year. So first of all, let me get the salary records for the last year. So for which I say select star from employee history salary, where salary date is more than, it's higher than or equal to date add of. Now here I specify the interval as the year, and I'm looking for the last previous year, so I mention -1. If I'm looking for the next year, then I do that, and then get date. So I'm looking for any salary date which is more than 1 year behind. So if more than 1 year behind, so it is giving me these 2 and 3. These dates have already passed, and so it is not giving me this result. So what I will do here is to just understand the two salary changes. I will have to insert few more records. Let me insert few more records here. Let me put this as 5, and this making it to 50 for employee number 1. Okay, 15.8, and here for employee number 2, let me include that in the month of February it has been changed to, earlier it was 63 and now it is changed, let's change to 68. So I will insert 2 more records and then look into it. So now both the employees have 2 records. So let me first of all get the 2 records details. So now here I want to check the count star. So crew by employee ID, and here I include employee ID, comma, count star, so this is giving me that both the employees have had two salary changes, and then I say having C and D greater than or equal to 2. So now let us try to calculate, so we can make this as a CTE. Now I am looking for what is the growth in the salaries. So for that, I should do it only for the employees which qualify this particular list. And so making use of this CTE as well, I include one table which is employee salary growth as. So your employee salary growth will be another table where I include from. So one is I include the CTE one, calling it C, join employee salary history. Yeah, I will call it EH on, and C dot employee ID, yes, C dot employee ID is equal to EH dot employee ID So this will help me to get all the employees for which I'm looking for the salary, and then here I will include the employee ID, comma, I will, and here I will take the max of the salary max of EH dot salary comma min of EH dot salary here again applying the condition that I am only looking for the salary which belong to a particular period. Max and the min, and then I also do the computation of max minus min divided by the minimum will help me to understand the percentage. So I compute max minus min max into 100 divided by min dot min of EH dot salary. So I will execute this query. I think there is some bracket problem. So this is the result of the CTE, which gives me employee IDs, and this is what I'm looking into. And then after that, this result, CTE1. Here I specify group by C dot employee ID, so that I perform the function on each and every employee. So here, this is the maximum salary. Let me show you the table here. Select star from employee salary history, looking only for the past year. So here I have these 258,000, and here for salary this is 55. So 55 to 58 it has increased, and for another employee it has increased from 63 to 68. Yeah, this. So here the max minus the min. Here the bracket. So here so here I have the max minus the min. So the max salary here is 58 minus 55, which is which is 3000 into 100 and divided by the min of the salary. So this is this calculation is not. So here we have to give the right set of brackets. So first of all, this needs to be done, so the bracket has to be given here also. So this was one mistake that I was doing. See, as you can see now, now it is doing it correctly. That is, if I check on 3000 into 100 divided by 55,000, now it is showing me an increase of 5.4. Here 5,000 divided by divided by 63,000, the and then I'll get 0.079 multiplied by 100, so it's showing me a 7.9% increase. Here you just doing the right set of brackets, where here I have these set of brackets first, then it is this set of bracket which gets evaluated, and then finally it gets divided. So doing it in the right manner will help. So this and this result can be can be joined with the employee table to get the names of the employees as well. So this is how we check on year growth. This is one example of it. Thank you.